Good morning guys. So samahan nyo kami. Another day, another adventure tayo. So galing kami ng Souls Nature Camp. Papunta kami ng Angeles Campsite. So doon yung next camp namin ni Bro CP Adventure. So 1v1 muna kami. Wala din si Mrs. Hindi ko muna siya kasama. So samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Camping tayo. Tara.
Mountains above, every trail, every view we see feels like home for you and me. Moments captured, memories made. Here's another perfect day. This is AJ 23, camping wild and feeling free under the stars where we're meant to be. Join the journey, come along. Every campfire has its song. This is our story, this is our ride, adventure living side by side. This is our ride, adventure.
Dito na kami sa Angeles Campsite guys. So yung pumapesto na si CP Adventure.
River breeze,
So ako naman dito undecided pa kung saan po pwesto. So bahala na.
where we
Tingnan na lang namin.
laughing loud with the
Set up muna kami guys. Mainit na, tanghali. Pasak pa yung tent mo. Hindi. Thank you bro. Go, go. guys, katatapos ko na mag-setup ng dome. So ito lang muna sinetup ko. Kasi ito yung kitchen ko. Yung goals ko. Ito, power station ko nagamit. 280. Kaya sa try ng drone. Init pa, so mamaya na lang yung tent ko. Doon ko. Masarap kami ng river yan. Dito sa Angeles campsite. Ilagay na rin pala nila dito guys ang tulay. Ito yung tulay oh.
Waking up to the sunrise glow. Pack the gear, it's time to go. On the road with the ones I love. Chasing skies and mountains above. Every trail, every view we see feels like home for you and me. Moments captured, memories made. Here's another perfect day. This is a J-Tronic day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to be. Join the journey, come along. Every campfire has its song. This is our story. This is our ride. Our is to living side by side.
Ito na yung final setup ko guys. Ano yung tent ko. Complete ko na rin yung bed.
River breeze and the pine trees sway. Cozy tents where we end the day. Laughing loud with the camping crew. Every moment feels brand new. So let's keep rolling, don't slow down. New campsites in every
Binaba ko yung recovery board ko. Napalahaw kasi ako kanina.
This adventure calls our name. This is a J-Tronic day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to
Pareho kami ni Chico Adventure ng tent. Black Dog din. Yun yung kanya. Black Dog.
has its song. This is our story. This is
Late! You're late! Alonso! What happened? Ito na sila. Dumating na yung ano namin, guest camper. Go under PH. Bro, ilipat ko to. Hinara ko kasi ito. Good evening guys. So ito na yung setup ko paggabi. Ayan. Ito lang, simple lang. Konting design lang. Tapos si Go Under PH, ayan. Kararating niya lang. So siset up pa sila ng family niya. Tapos CP Adventure naman na yun, medyo madilim pa yung camp niya. Morning guys. Saan tayo? Alas 6 ng umaga. Kape time tayo guys. Habang malamig yung panahon, magkape tayo. Oh, init ang kape. Or let's. Galing.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning
morning guys, so breakfast is ready na. Ito, garlic rice, ang pagkain ko, bacon, itlog, hotdog, prutas ako dyan. Tapos coffee din, bigay ni Go Wonder P. So nag-brewed siya ng coffee kanina binigay niya. Tara, kain tayo guys. Sarap kumain pag ganito yung view mo, di ba?
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. Just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
Ay, sige po. Good morning po. Ligpitan na. Katatapos ko lang magligpit. So yun, Go Wonder PH nagliligpit na ng camp niya, CP Adventure, tapos na rin. So yun, scap na kami sa Turtle Cove sa Bataan naman. So let's go guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming adventure at samahan nyo kami. Tara, let's mag-camping tayo.